This is my Triumph Tiger 800, and I'm about to go put a different exhaust on it. So let's see what the stock exhaust sounds like first. Doesn't sound too bad, but we're gonna go put a Yoshimura RS4 on it and see what it sounds like, and I bet it's gonna sound much better. Hey everyone, Kevin here, 2 on the Ground Moto Adventures. Today, I'm gonna be taking a look at this right here. That's the stock exhaust on my Tiger 800 XRT. This is a 2018 model. This is the stock exhaust. When I bought the bike, the guy had sitting in his garage in the box a Yoshimura RS4 exhaust that he was like, nah, I didn't like it, so he just ran the stock exhaust. And he gave it to me, so I figured, why wouldn't I put that on? Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It'd be much appreciated. If you have a Tiger, and I think that's the 800, the XR, the XRT, the XRC, even up through the newer one, so the Tiger 900, which is what they have now. They don't have the 800, is not their kind of standard anymore. Their 800 is a sport now, I think. So what's your favorite slip-on exhaust? Now, in order to change this exhaust out, it's a slip-on exhaust, so it's super easy. You're gonna need a couple tools. Here I have a 12mm wrench, and then I've got my metric socket set here. Out of this, you're gonna need a 12mm socket and a 10mm socket. So let's go ahead and get this changed out. All right, so there are gonna be 2 locations that you're gonna have to go ahead and worry about. The first one right up here, this is our exhaust bracket. This is a 12mm bolt. On the back side is what we need the wrench for. That's the 12mm wrench. So I can go ahead and get those taken off. Be careful on the back here because we do have a little bit of a lock nut. That's why we need the wrench on there the whole time. But you don't want to make sure that doesn't fall. Go ahead and set that aside. I'm going to leave the bolt in. And then down here, near the center stand, I'm just going to hold this down for now. We have the exhaust clamp right here. This is a 10mm right there. You don't have to take this all the way off, but we just want to loosen it up. Now this thing, take my bolt out, and there's a little flange right here. I'm just going to set that aside. This kind of wiggles back and forth, and it comes right out. We do have the piece right here. This is like a coupler. To be honest, I should probably replace this because it probably looks a little beat up, but I'm gonna go ahead and reuse it. So here we have the Yoshimura RS4. This is a slip-on exhaust. This is direct fit for this bike. One thing that you'll notice if you have one of these, the weight difference. This is almost half the weight of the stock exhaust. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this down inside of the exhaust pipe first. Push it down inside of there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and feed this in through, just like we took the one off. Slide it on like that. Then I can just go ahead and take the parts up top. Take my bolt and my flange. Feed them through. I'm just going to start this bolt on the back by hand. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tighten up this bolt up here, and then I'll tighten up the exhaust clamp second. I got that one tightened down. I'm sure there's a torque spec for it, but I tightened it till it was tight. Then I'm going to come back down here, and I'm just going to go ahead and tighten down the exhaust clamp. Make sure the exhaust clamp is up at the top. Again, I'm sure there's a torque spec for this, but I'm just going to tighten it till, yep, feels tight to me. All right, and once we got this tight, and we got our top bolt tight, that's it. That's all there is. So super simple. Let's go see how this thing sounds. All right, so here we have my Tiger 800, and we now have the Yoshimura RS4 slip-on exhaust here, and let's go ahead and see how this thing sounds. Sounds pretty good, I think. Doesn't sound too bad, but we're gonna go put a Yoshimura RS4 on it and see what it sounds like, and I bet it's gonna sound much better.